AI is slowly stealing radio's soul, and honestly, I'm partly to blame. Yes, guilty. You see, I build AI tools for radio stations for a living. RoboDJ, the most powerful and affordable AI DJ system. Yep, that's me. So believe it when I tell you, the tools aren't the problem. What we're doing with them is. I mean, somewhere along the way, we stopped using AI just to run the machinery and started using it to do our own thinking and run our mouths. And that's the one thing in radio you could never hand off. I mean, name a radio legend. Right now, just think of 3 radio legends. Any of them. Every single one was on the air before any of this AI was ever concocted. And we still remember them vividly decades later. Now that's the whole story right there. I'm going to tell you what made them unforgettable, why we're losing it, and how to get it back, starting with your next break.
We are on the air.
Hey there, I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude. Since 15, I've been rocking major market mics, and now I am committed to bringing personality back to the radio. So I cracked my first radio mic back in 1985. There was no AI, no internet, no shortcut. If I wanted to be any good, well, I had to have something to say on my own. Then figure out how to say it in a way that was mine. Nobody or no bot could give me any of that. I mean, that was the job description. Before we go anywhere else, what made every one of those radio legends, your favorite icons, unforgettable, unmistakable, was their voice? No, it wasn't their voice. That was a trick question. Wasn't their voice, their timing, or their format. They actually had something to say, and they said it using words nobody else would have chosen. Words inspired by their unique, twisted, snarky point of view. Cut to crazy today, AI is genuinely incredible at a lot of radio. I know, I build it. There's not a lot it cannot do. And believe me, I am all for innovation, because pay attention, if you're not innovating, well, enjoy evaporating. Somewhere along the way, people stopped using it for just the machinery, and they started using it for the message. They started asking the AI bots what to say and how to say it. And that right there, that's the one thing you could never hand off, because what to say and how to say it isn't the plumbing of radio, it's the entire point of radio. And I've said this from day uno, it's not what you play, yeah, fill in the blank, it's what you say. It's not the sound of your voice, it's the words you choose. The great radio talent coach Dan O'Day boiled it down to one question before any of this tech even existed. Before you utter a single word, he said, ask yourself, do you actually have something to say? Because a machine, it never does. It doesn't have a point of view. It never had a Tuesday. It never sat in a car in the rain and felt something while listening to England Dan and John Frickamacher, England Dan Ford, John Cooley Mellencamp. I'm not talking about me. It only has the obligation to fill the space that you point it at. So when you hand the mic to a machine, you're not saving time, you are obliterating the only reason anyone would tune into you instead of a soulless jukebox. Let me prove it to you and show you that the old and the new way are the exact same thing, just wearing different stretch pants. Woo! Looking good, mama. You know what every YouTube and TikTok creator obsesses over right now? The hook. The first 3 seconds. Stop the scroll. Grab them. Well, radio's been teaching that for 50 years. We just called it something different. Now, Dan O'Day calls it the inverse setup. Dead simple. Make your comment first and then give the information second. Here's the Sir Snooze-a-lot way, the way most jocks do it, and definitely the way AI does it. There's an 80% chance of rain tomorrow, so grab your umbrella. Oh my goodness, dead on arrival. You gave me the info, I moved on. Now let's flip it. Your hair isn't going to survive tomorrow because there's an 80% chance of rain. You feel that little gap for a half a second, your brain went, huh? Wait, what? And then it filled in your own life. Now we got bad news for anyone who washed their car today. 80% chance of rain tomorrow. That's the secret O'Day hammered home. When you lead with a hook, the listener's own brain rushes in to finish it. And they know their life better than you ever could. Your job was never to do all the talking. It was just to start something in their head. Here's an intro the dead way. From 1985, here's Sue Sue to You by Phil Collins. I mean, come on, nobody even looked up. Nobody has even paid attention to that kind of an intro for 20 years. Now, let's actually create a hook and pretend that we're on a game show. Classic hits, Cola 99.9. I'm Jeff Scott with two ways for a cash infusion. One, plug in around two of Cola's $5,000 free money payoff Monday morning, or get on Wheel of Fortune, buy a U, an I, an O, and boom, Pat Sajak, show me the money for Sue Sue to You. Tell me something, in which radio handbook does it say that request line information needs to be boilerplate and boring? Come on, not in my book. Let's craft a hook that uses the most ridiculous place that you would find a phone number. Throw in it into overdrive on an absolute 80s weekend on Cola 99.9. This is Jeff Scott, and you had a little trouble getting through?
You know, we had a hard time finding your phone number.
If you ever have that problem, just head into any truck stop. It's usually scratched in one of the restroom stalls. Oh yeah, for a good request, call 909-798-5600. We'll get you on the freeway of love. Aretha. Same song that every other station plays with your unique voice. That is completely different radio. Now, can AI write a hook? Well, come on, sure, 1,000 a minute. And they're all going to sound like, you won't believe this. This changed everything. Here's a twist. I mean, empty calories, attention bait without a soul. Because a real hook, it's not a formula. It's fueled by something you actually thought of or felt. The hook is the delivery, the point of view is the fuel. Now, AI has the first, but it will never have the second. It's not the sound, it's the words. And good news, yeah, this is a muscle, and muscles come back if you train them. 3 reps, the legends actually used, no AI required, and that's the whole point of this. Rep number 1, carry a notebook or a note app. O'Day swore by it. The second anything gives you a reaction, makes you laugh, makes you mad, makes you wonder, makes you go, huh? Well, write that down right then. Don't wait, don't decide if it's usable, just catch it in that moment. Your life is the prep service and it never reruns. So rep number 2, one thing 8 ways. Take one boring little observation. Everyone's staring at their phone in the checkout line. Now turn it into 8 different breaks. A joke, a question, a complaint, a bold opinion, a character bit, a phone topic. Same seed, 8 different flowers. Do that daily, and I mean, watch what happens to your show. And rep number 3, the phone voice test. Record yourself talking to a friend on the phone for a week, then play your air check back right after it. Now, do those 2 people sound like the same human? The phone guy is the one people actually want to hear. It's more authentic, it's more real. Granted, we do have to, and I disagree a little with O'Day on this, I still think there is an affectation that needs to come through, that commanding presence that only a radio DJ delivers, but it cannot be over the top. It can't be that cliche puker voice that we've all made fun of during our careers. Now here's where I get to slide back into being the RoboDJ dude again. Because I'm not anti-AI, you know that. I am anti-crutch. So I built a couple AI prompts that do the opposite of what everybody uses AI for. These aren't going to write your break. No. They flat out refuse to. They make you do the reps. AI becomes a sparring partner, not a ghostwriter. 2 of them, 125% free, just for you. First up, the Cliche Exorcist. You give it a topic, it lists the 10 things that every other jock would say about it, and then bans you from using any of them. And next up, the One Listener Interrogator. It's going to interview you until you say something only you could say, then hands it back and goes, okay, there's your break. You want them? Well, links right down there in the description. And while you're there on that page, you're going to notice that I'm turning all of this into something bigger. A short course called Unmistakable. It's all about building the voice that's unmistakably yours. It's not finished yet. Honestly, it only gets built if enough of you raise your hand and say, hell yes. So if becoming unmistakable is something you want to do, well, fill in some details to get on that early bird list. And the early folks, yep, you're going to get the founding member pricing when it does open up. No pressure. The prompts are yours either way. Go grab them, go use them, and just become a better jock. But there's a set of 5 prompts inside Mic Rockers. This is the coolest radio community on the interwebs. And if you're not a member, oh my goodness, all those juicy details are in the description. Look, if you let the machine run the tedious stuff, that's great. The stuff that's under the hood without a personality, it could handle that. But the mic, the say, oh my goodness, that is all you. And that was the only part that has ever mattered. I mean, 40 years I've done this, and never has a listener ever said, oh my goodness, I loved how perfectly your music was scheduled. They've said, oh wow, I remember that one time when you said this. Yep, the machines can play the songs, but only you can be the reason that somebody remembers one of them for the rest of their life. And by now, if you've frittered enough time away from this loudmouth, you know it. It's not what you play. It's what you say. And it's what you click. If you dug any of this, I would love a like and a subscribe from you. I so appreciate your time. And until our next little radio rendezvous, I am Jeff, the Radio DJ dude. Please keep those mics rocking all over the world. And more importantly, go say something that matters.